So I'm going to be doing a hike here. This is the Mount Pinos Summit Trail, which is 2 miles one way. But I'm going to be going beyond that. I forget the name of the other trail. But I was told a long time ago in a hiking group that it connects with the PCT. And it was when we were doing a 4-peak hike, which is like 12.4 miles or something. It was a long hike, tiring hike. When I was preparing for Whitney the first time, so. But I'm just going to go as far as I feel like, and then I'll turn back and see how things go. Made it to the top of Pinos. It's 9:56. Lunch spot. It's 11:07. Mr. Cheeseburger Bird. It's just after 12. I'm definitely altitude sick. I feel sick. So I'm gonna descend, and I'm now listening to music. Oh, dang it. So move me along, so we'll see how that goes. I just saw a woman's backpack group go by. There's probably like 4 or 5 of them, all with their backpacking gear. I don't know where they were going, but it's nice to see more backpackers on the trail. Everybody's getting a little cabin fever, I think. Now the path on the left, when I did the 4-peak hike, I think in 2013, we were given an option by the hike leader. We could go the easier way, which is the right route, or we could go the harder and shorter way, which is the left route. As you can see, it goes up pretty steep. So I think I might go up the harder route just because I want to get some more workout in. So I'm going to say I went about 6 miles round trip, or at least I will have once I get back to the parking lot. Because I think I had progressed about a mile past Pinos Peak, which is where I'm at now. And yeah, I feel better from the whole altitude sickness thing. I think once I started getting moving, and of course I had to drink more water too, I think that helped. And I also put on some motivational music, which going up that the hard spot there, the best song for that came on, which was the Bear Grylls theme song, which I used in the video, the Bear Grylls Survival Challenge. So, yeah.
pretty warm now, but the breeze is nice. So I got back a little bit before 2, and there are ladybugs flying everywhere. They must all be hatching or something, but they're just, and there goes one now. They're just everywhere. Flying all over the place, including right by my backpack. Right there. Right there. Right there. That creek goes all the way down. And that's just from the snow melt. Glorious fire. Perhaps a little too big, but that's because of the log that I found. It's gonna last. That's that log. So it's just being turned into one giant coal.